This week I'm testing the new Mitsubishi Triton dual cab ute with my family, and these are my top 3 family friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is there are aircon vents in the ceiling in the back, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers nice and cool while driving along. Number 2 are the rear seats in the Mitsubishi Triton. With the fold down in the central seat back, you have got zips there where you can put your hands through to access the top tether anchorages for the 2 outer seats. There's also Isofix for those 2 outer seats, and I can install 2 Infasecure child seats back here nicely. Now you can't put a tethered child seat in the central seat, however a versatile folding booster seat will fit there nicely for older children. Legroom is very good in here too. A 182cm passenger can fit in front of a rear-facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 3 is the rear footwell. When you've got rear-facing child seats installed, you can put your pram or compact stroller into this space here to save you from having to use the tray, especially if it's raining. I have loved driving the Triton dual cab with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.